Okay, good day. I am from Exil Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Cobel Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can understand English, ma'am, and I can speak English also.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I don't have family members, but I have friends before.
Do
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so do you know which place they were designated?
I think in Kuantan, ma'am.
Kuantan. So do you know the place Kuantan? Have you been here in
No,
Malaysia?
yes, ma'am. I don't know the place because in when I was in Malaysia, I don't have time to go out because I don't have day off, ma'am.
Okay. So, are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, I'm healthy, ma'am. I don't have any issues on my body.
Okay. So our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So you mentioned earlier that you've been here in Malaysia, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you still choose to come and work here?
Because in Malaysia is a good country, ma'am, and very nice employer when I was there in Malaysia before, ma'am.
Okay. Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. Sohina C. Apolinario. I am 40 years old and I'm from Philippines. My work duties in Malaysia before was cleaning the house, ironing, uh, and then cleaning the toilet, bathroom, that and ironing. Sometimes I cook because my employer doesn't tell me to cook there because they eat outside. I'm just cleaning the house, and then when I was there, I have one dog before, and sometimes the grandchildren come their house, and then I will look for them, ma'am, and like that.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first, okay? So are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
single with live-in partner, single mother, or married?
I am married, ma'am. I am married, and I have three kids. Three,
How,
three, three kids, ma'am.
how old are those children?
My eldest is 15 years old, and my second is 5, and the third is 3 years old.
When is your birthday?
February 27, 1985.
What is your height and your weight?
Uh, my weight is 52, and my height is, I think, 147 centimeter, like that.
5 flat.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your religion?
I am Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I'm only a high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, so who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My husband and my mother, ma'am.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is a security guard and he's 38 years old.
How
And my
many
mother
brothers?
is, yes, ma'am, sorry.
Yeah, proceed.
And my mother is 60 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so how many brothers and sister do you have?
I have two brothers and one sister.
What is your rank in your family then?
I am the second.
You're the second. So in your biodata, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2012 to 2016 in Malaysia for 4 years, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you also mentioned to me earlier that you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take care of children or any elderly inside the house?
I don't, their grandchildren, ma'am, ages, before is 12 years old and 8 years old, like that, ma'am.
Okay. So do you know how many total family members your employer before?
Only two. They are already 60 years old, about like, but they are still working.
How many
And
total
my
family
employer there,
members?
maybe six
Six.
before, because my employer's son stay with them before, and then before they move to their new house.
Okay. Do you know
Then
which
we go
place your employer is staying?
in Silangor, ma'am, in Silangor.
Is it Chinese family, Indian family, or Malay family?
Chinese family, ma'am.
Chinese family. Okay, so what happened? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines and didn't continue working to this employer?
I asked them, because I asked them to I go home because I need to also to take care of my daughter before, ma'am.
Okay, so way back February 2024 to July 2024, you worked in Hong Kong for 5 months. What happened? Why you terminate your contract?
Because, ma'am, in Hong Kong, my employer there was they are I asked them to me to go home because they abuse, like they always shouting at me like that, and then they hit me, so that I
What kind of
decided to
hitting
go
is
home,
it?
ma'am.
What kind of hitting?
They this last time they throw some, what's this, bottle, ma'am, when
Paddle.
I yes, ma'am, when I took my laundry, and then they because my employer there was angry, and then so that
How many
she,
times your employer hit you? Is it
I
one time or only or many
think 3 times,
times? 3 times.
many times only.
So you
Because
decided
yes, ma'am,
like to go back home in the Philippines and terminate your contract lah.
yes, ma'am,
Okay. So
because
can you share with me what are your primary duties to your previous employment in Hong Kong?
sorry, ma'am.
What are your primary duties, your responsibilities?
I do I when I was in Hong Kong, ma'am, I clean the house, cooking, marketing, and then pitch the son of my employer, ma'am.
How old is the child that you take care?
Before, he was 8 years old, but 8 to 9 years old, ma'am.
Okay. So did you do laundry and ironing also there, is it?
I do.
Okay, so being an OFW or working as a domestic helper is not new for you already, right?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
already got experience here in Malaysia and Hong Kong. So you know that you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. If there is any
Yes,
children inside the house, is you need to take care of them also and you need to assist if there is any elderly inside the house. Am I right?
ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. I can do, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am. I can take care elderly because I taking care of uh my grandmother before, ma'am.
Okay.
Also,
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I yes, ma'am. I can taking care of.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. I'm comfortable with taking care of pets.
Okay, so you aware that how many years of contract you need to
Yes,
finish,
ma'am.
right? So you
two
will going
years.
to finish a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you can easily go back home. Breaching or terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time with the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you know that same in your previous employment here in Malaysia, you cannot hold your phone during working time, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. If you will
Yes,
work,
ma'am.
employer will going to compensate your salary, which means in our contract right now we have 1,800. But if you will work, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Are you okay with our terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am. I'm okay with that.
We don't want to have such a problem later that once you come to work here, you will going to demand us about all these things, ma'am. I want to go out on my rest day. I want to hold my phone for the whole day. No such a thing, because in our initial interview, I've been clarifying it to you that this is our terms and conditions and you also agree about it. If you
Yes, ma'am.
disagree, then better stay in the Philippines and don't come here so that you won't give us trouble or any problems, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, how do you handle your homesickness?
When a sickness, ma'am.
Homesick.
Oh, may I just uh focus on my work, ma'am, so that I cannot I cannot I cannot homesick, ma'am.
Okay, so always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, okay?
Mm.
Always remind yourself that we need to respect the employer, because this is not the Philippines. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but here in Malaysia or in any other countries, we cannot do all those things that we do in Philippines. We need to follow the
Mm.
rules and regulations. We need to respect our employer. Okay? Any problems
Yes,
or
ma'am.
any concerns, inform your employer, because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp, because Exil agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you so
Thank you, ma'am.
much and have a good day. Bye.
Yeah.